Welcome to this Japanese massage-inspired relaxation session focused on supporting the body's natural lymphatic detox routine. This video creates a calm, spa-like atmosphere using slow rhythm, gentle flow, and mindful awareness inspired by traditional Japanese bodywork philosophy. The intention is relaxation and balance, not medical treatment or diagnosis. The lymphatic system works best when the body is calm and relaxed. In this session, soft and unhurried movements encourage a sense of lightness and ease throughout the body. As you watch and listen, allow your breathing to slow and your muscles to soften naturally. Imagine stagnant tension gently releasing as your body settles into a peaceful state. This video is ideal for evening relaxation, post-work wind-down meditation, or quiet self-care time. There is nothing you need to do, simply rest and enjoy the tranquil flow. Let go of stress and heaviness, and allow this gentle Japanese massage-inspired experience to support relaxation, clarity, and a refreshed feeling throughout your body.